YouTube fans, my name is Chef Drea, and today we're gonna do, what did you say?
Chicken tenders.
Chicken tenders. And first, we're gonna get eggs. Is it one egg or 2 eggs?
2 eggs.
All right. Got one.
Here, hand them to me.
I got it.
This is a
There's
reminder.
1 and
Put
2.
out trash.
Good job.
And now we're gonna sit right here. Wait, can I sit right there?
This is a reminder. Put out trash.
I'm gonna remove my chair.